Does the state offer any options for restoring gun rights to felons?
Hello and welcome to this discussion on a very pertinent topic, the restoration of gun rights for felons. If you've ever wondered whether the state offers any options for convicted felons to regain their gun rights, you're in the right place. We will explore this subject in detail, taking into account the legalities and processes involved.
Can felons lose their gun rights?
Yes, convicted felons do lose their gun rights. Under federal law, specifically the Gun Control Act of 1968, anyone convicted of a felony is prohibited from possessing a firearm. This prohibition applies regardless of the state where the conviction occurred or where the person resides. This is a key point to understand when we talk about restoring gun rights to felons.
How can felons restore their gun rights?
Now onto the crux of the matter. Yes, it is possible for felons to restore their gun rights. However, the methods and the ease of restoration vary significantly from state to state. Generally, there are three primary ways to restore gun rights. 1. Pardon. A pardon from the governor of a state or the president in cases of federal convictions. It should be noted that pardons are rarely granted and involve a lengthy application and review process. 2. Expungement. Expungement or setting aside a conviction can also restore gun rights. However, eligibility for expungement depends on the state law and the nature of the crime. 3. Restoration of rights via legal process. Some states have specific legal provisions that allow for the restoration of rights. This often involves demonstrating that the individual has been rehabilitated and does not pose a risk to public safety. Keep in mind that regardless of the state's laws, federal laws still apply. However, federal law does recognize the restoration of rights by states, which can clear the way for felons to legally possess a firearm.
Are there limitations to restoration?
Yes, there are limitations. Not every felon will be able to restore their gun rights. Factors such as the nature of the crime, any history of violence, and any subsequent crimes can all play a role in determining eligibility. Furthermore, while these processes may restore the right to own a gun, they do not erase the conviction. The record of the felony conviction can still impact other areas of life, like employment and voting rights, depending on state laws. In conclusion, while the state does provide avenues for felons to restore their gun rights, it is a complex process that varies widely by state and by the individual circumstances. We hope that this video has been informative and provided a good overview of the issue. Thanks for joining us, and please stay informed and engaged in such significant topics.